Assalamualaikum, how are you guys? Hope you all are fine. So today we are going to make this beautiful banner. So let's get started. First of all, we have this beautiful picture of tropical island. So let's hide it for now. Now we are going to make this beautiful gradient shade by using orange and yellow color. Now we'll lower its opacity for shade. It's not necessary. If you want, you can do this. So now we'll make beautiful dots. So let's make a circle. It should be very small and little. So let's color it black. And we'll make some copies of it. So we're making so many copies. Now as you can see, it's being transforming into a pattern. So yeah, this whole canvas is full of dots. Now we'll make a copy of it and lower its opacity and just color the copy in white. Yeah, and then we'll cut a circle. So let's make a circle. Yeah, that's right. Now we'll delete it and we'll hide it for now. So we'll place this beautiful picture. Just adjust it. And then we'll add leaves. So now we are going to unhide this circle and just make a copy of it. And now we are going to transform it into a smaller than that. So that's right. Now we are going to place it at the corner. So now first of all we'll make a square. And we're going to color it in white. So select, modify and contract. The value 3 is awesome. We are going to cut the unnecessary area. And we're going to enter text. Just drag and drop. Yeah. We're going to adjust it. I prefer you to make a group. Now we'll add this header, Summer Fashion Sale. The font names are The Blacklight, Bad Cats and Avant-Garde BKBT. Remember the fonts. Now we'll add the bottom text and just adjust it. So yeah, I think it's done. We need some adjustments. So yeah, if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.